Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any decimal number into either binary or hexadecimal using long division. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, so let's say I have the number 17. Alright, so I have 17. And I want to convert this to binary. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use long division. So I'm going to draw the little house. That looks really bad, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to divide 17 by 2. 2 can go into 17 8 times. And 8 times 2 is 16. That leaves me with a remainder of 1. Okay. Now I'm going to get the quotient. I'm going to divide it again by the base, which in this case is 2. Okay, so alright, so 8 divided by 2 is 4, with a remainder of 0. Right, so 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, now I'm going to divide this quotient by 2. 2 can go into 4 2 times, with a remainder of 0. Then I'm going to divide this quotient by 2. And 2 goes into 2 one time, with a remainder of 0. And then this quotient, I'm going to divide this by 2. 2 goes into 1 0 times. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 minus 0 gives me a remainder of 1. Okay. So then what you do is get the remainders and you just read them going down. So 17 base 10, or decimal, equals 1 0 0 0 1 in base 2, or in binary. Okay, so we can actually use this technique to convert any number to any other base. Right, instead of 2, I could do 8, or an octal, right? Or I could do hexadecimal. So in this case I would divide by 16. Alright, so let's try another example. Okay, so let's try to convert a number to hexadecimal. Alright, so I have 16, and inside the little house, the number I want to convert. So let's say I want to convert the number 31 into hexadecimal. Right? So 16 can go into 31 one time. And then 1 times 16 is 16. 31 minus 16 gives me a remainder of 15. Right. And then this 1 here, I'm going to divide it by 16. Sixteen goes into 1 0 times. 0 times 16 equals 0. 1 minus 0 gives me a remainder of 1. Right? And then we know with hexadecimal, we have 16 digits, right? Any digit after 9 is assigned a letter. So we have A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, and then D is 13, E 14, and then finally F is 15. So if I want to convert 31 base 10 to base 16 or hexadecimal, then I just read the remainders going down. So then it's going to be 1F.